Welcome to Get the Math. In this lesson, we are solving a linear equation that has parentheses on both sides. The equation is 3 times the quantity x plus 5 minus 4 equals 2 times the quantity x minus 1 plus 9. When you see parentheses like this, the first thing we always do is distribute. That means we multiply the number outside the parentheses by every term inside. Step 1, distribute on both sides. On the left side, 3 times x plus 5 minus 4. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 5 is 15. So the left side becomes 3x plus 15 minus 4. We can simplify that right away. 15 minus 4 is 11. Left side is now 3x plus 11. On the right side, 2 times x minus 1 plus 9. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. So the right side becomes 2x minus 2 plus 9. Negative 2 plus 9 is positive 7. Right side is now 2x plus 7. Our equation is now 3x plus 11 equals 2x plus 7. Step 2, move the x terms to the left side. Subtract 2x from both sides. 3x minus 2x is x. 2x minus 2x cancels out. Now we have x plus 11 equals 7. Step 3, move the constant to the right side. Subtract 11 from both sides. 11 minus 11 cancels on the left. 7 minus 11 is negative 4. So, x equals negative 4. Step 4, always check your answer. Substitute x equals negative 4 into the original equation. Left side, 3 times negative 4 plus 5 minus 4. Negative 4 plus 5 is 1. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 minus 4 is negative 1. Right side, 2 times negative 4 minus 1 plus 9. Negative 4 minus 1 is negative 5. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. Negative 10 plus 9 is negative 1. Negative 1 equals negative 1. Our answer checks out perfectly. X equals negative 4. That is your solution. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe. New math lessons every week. See you in the next one.